Okay, let's do this one the easy way. So remember, we would put this in y equals and this in y equals. So it's going to be y equals -2 parentheses 4x minus 6. And then the other side will be another y equals 6 minus 6x. Okay, so you are putting this in Desmos. Okay, you are going to look at where they cross, the intersection. Okay, you're going to look at that point, and the answer is only the x. X comma y, I only want the x. That's going to be your answer. Okay, so go ahead, type this in y equals, this in y equals, and go see where they cross. And your answer is the first number that pops up. But make sure that it's where they cross. It's not an x-intercept or a y-intercept. Okay, go ahead. Get it done.